am Suzanne Morgan, and I am your friendly yoga teacher, health coach, and healthy chef. Today we are making a side dish of a roasted Vidalia onion that is really delicious. And when you roast it for maybe 50 minutes to an hour, it gets super sweet and yummy. And you can use that on top of, let's say, a turkey burger. It would be really good on the turkey burger. It'd be great as a side for a fish dish or for meat if you eat meat. It's really lovely. And it's so fast and easy. The prep for it is way less than 5 minutes. So you're gonna need a Vidalia onion. You wanna get one, this one's a little bit big. I would get one a little bit thinner than this. And of course, peel it, cut off the ends, and we're gonna wrap it up. So this is the size that's great. So something that is smaller is a little bit better. So on this, you're just gonna add salt and pepper. You're gonna do maybe a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, tablespoon and a half of a good quality balsamic vinegar. There was one at Trader Joe's I used to buy that I really liked, but I've got a really nice one here that I've been using. By the way, this recipe was inspired by a restaurant that was in DC for, I think, well over 20 years called Vidalia. And this is a riff off of what they used to serve as a side. So it's super easy. You're gonna bake this for, once you put on your salt and pepper, your olive oil, your balsamic vinegar, you're gonna bake it for maybe 15 minutes to an hour at 375. And then you're gonna wrap up, of course, beforehand, you will wrap this up real nicely in a little packet that looks like this. And then I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. It's so yummy. Yeah. Okay. So it gets nice and caramelized in here, and the juices are really great to put on the side, and I think you're really gonna love this. Enjoy.